Good morning, it's day 3. I remember.
Good morning. Yeah, 7:30. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Shalu. Good morning. Breakfast protein, a Budweiser mag. We're gonna have some egg whites and beer to start our morning.
ये वाटरफॉल है। यहाँ पे तो आपने रुकना होगा 1-2 घंटे तक। या कितना की टाइम लगेगा? 2-3 घंटे लग जाएंगे।
गिर जाऊंगी मैं ना।
Bro, the wind though. See, that's the fall. You see it? Itna walk hai fir. You see the walk? Yeah. Nothing to say. Also, Bichu Booty.
Bichu, oh, we can't give it to them yet. Just remember this, because this is gonna be a part of our family here on this channel. In the mountains, they have like this thick fur, thick skin, all of that, okay? And skin tone, people's skin tones change. So all of these natural elements only prop up when there's a natural need for it. I wonder why there's so much Bichu Booty here. Like what is the reason for it?
So, I've heard, I'm sure that it's not the reason, but Bichu Booty, if you boil it for a good enough time,
Yeah.
you can actually eat it as like a chutney.
Oh.
So
okay.
that's also like a thing. But I think Bichu Booty, people use it for like to treat some shit also.
Okay.
That's what I've heard and seen in like Netflix shows. So this is the first waterfall sort of like pit stop, and there's the main one. But this one's more approachable and khali also, so it's pretty cool. You better walk.
What the heck are you doing here?
I've done this before.
Dipping your phone in water?
It is water resistant.
It's water, by the way, which like your phone will go to some other state in the next 10 minutes.
No, I am holding it very tightly.
Okay.
We're now gonna walk up to the waterfall. Abhi jo tha ye, it was like the thing that sort of like breaks the waterfall. We were there. Are you agreeing to me? Okay, I appreciate that. But now we're going to the top. And it's gonna see, we're gonna see. अभी there's a long way to go. तो हमारे लिए थोड़ा death types हो रहा है. But we're hoping. Huh?
Got it.
That's what Shalu says. But Shalu is not always right. So let's see. Excuse me.
क्या रे?
ये अंधा बंदा तो नहीं है? हट जा यार. इसके सींग भी तो है ना.
मुझे को पता ही यहाँ का राजा है.
जाऊं? सब मेरे पीछे पीछे ही आ रहे हो ना एकदम चिपक के. चिपक जाओ मैं तो कहती हूँ. हाँ आओ.
ठीक है.
Yay. This guy is recording his music video with quotes around. Yeah, with like a professional camera, guitar, and like bunch of quotes around. Can't wait to bump this shit, bro. Can't wait to bump. Goats pacing.
वही वाला है ना?
आजा. आजा. अरे आजा. Don't hit me. Don't push me, okay? Hello. Hi. Is it good? All's good? Hi everybody. We were planning to eat at the cafe, but the cafe बंद था. So we're going back down. कि ऊपर बहुत ऊपर है. हमने देख लिया waterfall. It's water, man. At the end of the day, come on.
It's falling.
Yeah. I can mix the waterfall.
All right.
No, it's not that. Goats.
And that's how you become a tourist. Let's go. कितने जा रहे हैं हम अभी? चलिए बताएंगे आपको. Now.
We are going to the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts. Honestly, don't know what it's going to be like. It could be like an institution, like a college situation, or it could be like open for public, and it could just have like art thingies. I don't know what kind, but yeah, we're just super into it. So yeah, let's go. What does it say?
Life is no more than a dewdrop balancing on the end of a blade of grass. Good shade, yeah, good shade.
What do you want to get this for?
नए घर में चिपकाने के लिए.
पूछो. Did some shopping.
Yeah, cute है ये.
Cute है ना? You're not buying anything. You bought diaries.
Yeah, I got diaries and I want like small magnets, but I can find like a large magnet.
यार ये वाला या नहीं? इसका वाइब बेटर है.
Yeah.
We're done shopping at the Bhaksu tourist spot, and now we are headed to TIPA. It's a 10-11 minute walk, and we're walking. It's not that big of a bitch, so we're feeling good about it. Oh damn,
Yeah.
this steep as hell, sis.
सीन है?
So we were on our way. We called because थोड़ा अजीब ही रास्ता है जो हमें को दिख नहीं रहा था. We called to just confirm कि क्या सीन है. And they said that it.
Perfect.
And they said कि अभी classes चल रही हैं तो performance वगैरह तो नहीं है. But Sunday in the main city it will happen. But I don't think any of us will be able to attend it on a Sunday. Oh my God, how did he get the?
इधर आ इधर आ.
So now we're in this Hasi Wadia Khula Asman. I think we're gonna take some photos and head to our next destination. I think.
Which is
I'm not sure.
the pottery place.
Okay, Dhamkot Studio then.
Yep.
Okay.
See you at Dharamkot Studio.
Govinda ne shakal banai.
मैं बताऊँ क्या? हम जाते हैं हमारे हॉस्टल के पास टैटू करवाते हैं.
कर सकते हैं.
चलो काम पे.
कौन से? काश कोई गिर जाए कैमरा पे. Not you. I'm just thinking like when you did it, I was like the thought of it seemed nice.
कोई नहीं यार, होता है हिल्स में. चल आ जा.
Back.
अरे बट हायोत
हार्ट भी इसके पीछे ही है.
तो चलो फिर इधर. टाइम तो कोई नहीं हुआ नहीं है सनसेट का टाइम बिल्कुल भी. बट यहाँ इतने
बहुत ही आफ्टरनून टाइम एकदम 12 बज रहे अभी.
वापस कैसे आएंगे? इधर तक.
नहीं मतलब आई एम थिंकिंग आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर धर्मकोट.
मी टू. चलो.
Finally, we're here at Morgan's place. We're all mad here, okay. There's clouds are like all over the range. And the cloudiness that you see, it's not like my camera's not clean. It's just that it's so misty and cloudy. Oh, so pretty. We keep taking like pit stops because we keep ending up on like beautiful locations. And also because we're fat and tired. But that's secondary. Have I gone mad or failed? Let me tell you something. So pretty.
We have cocktails here.
Dude, yeah. Oh, but what's the point of getting drunk? Because if we want a tattoo, we can't drink before that.
Yeah,
We can drink post that.
like can even one cocktail hurt?
Yeah, maybe.
My best friend sent me.
How does it feel to be here?
Amazing. I almost missed how awesome today was because I wasn't feeling it in the morning, but I'm feeling so happy, rejuvenated, excited to see other stuff on our list, excited to eat here, excited to get tattoos. It's fun.
How do you feel?
Look at the view. It's so pretty.
The view's too good, for real.
We can eat here the photo. Oh.
I don't know if you can tell.
हाँ भैया पूरा ऊपर तक.
It's so cloudy, like all the clouds are niche and it looks so pretty. I hope people watching the video can tell. It's so good. Right now, we're on our way to St. John's Church, which is built very nicely, and it has a neo-Gothic architecture type, and it's nice. And it's haunted apparently. Oh my god, look at that! We are outside. What's the thing called again?
St. John's Church.
In the wilderness.
In the wilderness, because yeah, no, I think that's just the YouTube title.
वो मैंने पकड़ लिया. अब मैं जब भी सेंट जॉन बोलूंगी गॉड एंड गोस्ट तो लगेगा ही लगेगा उसमें.
चलो.
चलिए पता लगाते हैं क्या ये गॉड है या ये गोस्ट है.
Oh my god, look at that scary branches.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Just like chilling in the air.
Guys, very slippery. Be careful, huh?
Look at that. This.
Oh, ऐसा लग रहा है हमारा phone मर गया.
See, this is to like kill somebody, so it's like a booby trap.
Yeah, it's gonna fall
And
on
it's-
someone's
yeah, like,
head
catch.
who deserves to die.
यही मिलेगी शांति प्रिया की लाश. I think it's closed.
Dude, this is creepy as heck. Why is this right here? Okay, I'm getting creeped out.
There's the cemetery.
I don't want to see.
So there are like people who sacrifice their lives for like good pussy and shit. Oh.
Don't say that, dude.
Oh.
Don't say that. मत बोल यार, ऐसे सुन लेंगे तो.
Dude, I'm Christian. I get the card. I get the Christian card. Okay. Oh, so here are the. यहाँ पे भी है.
Oh, yeah.
There are a bunch of like people buried.
Really want to film though.
You sure?
कैमरा निकालती.
Okay. Somebody's getting angry.
Who?
The god
Yeah.
and the ghost. It's very nice. It's very like. So we saw in a YouTube video कि उसमें लिखा था कि उन्होंने बोला था कि this church survived a very massive earthquake and it's built in such a beautiful fashion that the credits basically go to that. So we're hoping that we can go inside and see what it's like. Otherwise, it's really pretty to look at. How do you like it?
The red pops so much in the trees.
Yeah.
I think ये पहले था या अभी लगाया है तो प्रवीण का.
हाँ, definitely. Yeah, I mean, it looks fresh too. Shalu, why do you think Christians are associated with like ghosts?
I think it has to do with the Hollywood influence of movies.
We can go inside too.
We can?
Yeah, but no, not here.
Damn, the church look good, right? So you have to wait. I'm gonna be uploading another video that is solely gonna be about the church. Without further ado, let's continue with this vlog. Since we did so many things, I'm trying to make separate videos for everything. So yeah, enjoy this brainless vlog. After St. John and everything, we are here at the tattoo studio. It's called the Tibet Ink Tattoo Studio. They have 3 artists here. And we saw their work and we thought that like to sort of put the memories of this trip to stone or to skin, we should get it something tattooed, and we're getting a cute thing tattooed. Ooh, wait up. Shalu being Shalu said that I want to get a tattoo first and see if the tattoo artists are good enough, and then we're gonna get the design tattoo. So she had a personal tattoo that she wanted to get anyway. Once she was getting the tattoo, she was like, Chavi, no, can't do this. These guys don't fucking know what they're doing. Let's not regret our decision. And at night when it sort of stopped raining, we went out for some food.